Good morning, students. Welcome back. In previous class, we discussed the concept of interface. Now, in today's class, we are going to deal with new concept, that is exception handling in a Java. Now, let us discuss the exception handling concept. An exception is a problem that is arise during the execution of the program. Still now, we discussed all the concept for the writing the program. But this is the concept of problem arising when the execution of the program. When an exception occurs, the normal flow of program or a application is disrupted, or it may terminate abnormally. It means if the flow of program goes wrong, the expected outcome didn't come, or we may not get a expected outcome. For this purpose, we are using the exception to be handled in our program. Here, an exception can occur for a many reasons. Here, they provided some reasons when exception may occur. Let us see. First one, a user has entered a invalid data. Exception occurs when a user are entered invalid data. Second one is a file that need to be opened cannot be found. If the file that need to be opened that not present in our folder or a specified path. Third one is a network connection has been lost in the middle of the communication, or the JVM has run out of the memory. Third one is if the network connection goes lost, or if the network connection may not appear, or a JVM has out of the memory. Java virtual machine that is runs out of the memory. This is the three reasons when we get the exception during the execution of the application or a program. Some of these expressions are caused by the user errors or a programmer errors, and other by physical resource that have failed in some manner. Apart of these three reasons, some may occur in user errors, some expression may occur in programmer errors by a programmer, and other by a physical resource that have failed in some manner. In these three manner also we get a exception for our application. Then the next point is, still now we discussed in which situation we get a exception. Exception means, I already told that the exception may occur while during the execution of the program. But now we discuss the definition of the exception. What is exception? Means an exception is an unwanted or an unexpected event which occurs during the execution of the program, that is at runtime, that disrupt the normal flow of the program instruction. It means an exception is an unwanted or an unexpected event which occurs during the execution of the program, that is at a runtime, that disrupt the normal flow of the application or our program instruction. This is nothing but exception. Then what is the difference between error and exception? Sometimes we get errors while executing a program, but we didn't call them as exceptions. Error and exception both are differ. Exception is the program, it occurs while executing the program, but error happening according to our program. Then now see what is the difference between error and exception. Error indicates the series problem. Sorry. Error indicates a series problem that reasonable application should not be tried to catch. It is indicate series problem that reasonable application should not try to catch. An exception indicates the condition that reasonable application may try to catch. It means the error indicates serious problem that reasonable application should not try to catch, while in exception it might try to catch. This is the difference between a error and an exception. Then next question is, why an exception occurs? There can be several reasons that can cause a program to throw an exception. For example, opening a non-existing file in our program, network connection problem, bad input data provided by the users, etc. These are the reasons to throw an exception. Then advantages of exception. Exception handling ensures that the flow of the program doesn't break when an execution or a execution of the program while the exception occurs. For example, if a program has bunch of statements and exception occurs midway after the executing the certain statement, then the statement after the execution will not execute the program. will it terminate? By handling, we make sure that all the statement execute the flow of the program. It doesn't break. It means exception handle ensures that flow of the program does not break while the if we get the exception in a mid of our program. It means we have 10 statements to execute in our program, but up to 5 statements they are executed. In a 6th statement they got exception, or in a 6th statement they get some problem. From that 6th statement to 10th statement they didn't executed when we didn't use a exception concept. If we use a exception means those all 10 statements will be executed and we get a expected outcome. This is the advantage of exception handling. Here some exception handling hierarchy are there. Java.lang package include this object. Those object throwable the errors and exception. Exceptions are divided into 2 subparts. First one is runtime exception and other exception. We discuss these both type exception in further classes. But still now what we discussed, the concept of exception, why we are going to use the exception concept and advantages of exception, and error versus exception concept. I hope you all are understand this concept. Thank you.